4 V4 أو 4 بلس. اوكي 4 بلس سيم 5000 فيلا. 4 بلس سيم 5000 فيلا. واتس موديل MDV. It's important هنا بقى start from here important details. اوكي MDV dash D 252 8 W dash R minus 1 صح؟ minus 1
Yeah, correct, sir.
لا R N1 R N1 dash B. Okay, this is full model for outdoor unit. Okay, MDV. Okay, here start the model. 252 what's the meaning?
Model number capacity.
Capacity by
Kilowatt.
kilowatt. What's meaning? How many kilowatt?
25.
25.2 kilo. What's meaning 8? Horsepower. 8 horsepower. 8 horsepower. What's meaning R? This series. We have R, we have K, we have S, I think S. Okay? We have T series, 3 series. Okay? R series. Right, how many models we have? 252. 2, huh?
80.
80.
3030.
Here,
W 10.
10. 335, not 0. Yesterday, mistake. 335. Here,
14.
12. 400. Here, 450.
16.
Yes. This model, how many kilo?
20.
Kilowatt?
28.
28 kilowatt. How many horsepower?
10.
10. لا horsepower like that. Okay. Here
33.5.
33.5 kilo horsepower.
12.
12. Okay. Here
40. 40 kilowatt.
40 horsepower.
14. 14.
14. Here
45. 16.
5000 villa, how many horsepower?
16.
How many kilowatt?
45.
45. Okay. خلاص. This model, this one and this one. Of course, this letters same. Okay, and here also same. Understand? يعني no need to write again. W slash R N1 dash B. Huh? No need to write again. Okay? You understand automatically. خلاص؟ طيب. What kind of compressor here? 4 plus. We have 2 kind of compressor. digital compressor and fixed speed compressor. Okay. This okay? Finish.
Yes.
And here 2, 5, huh? 2.
2.
2.
8, 0.
Okay.
3 3
Huh?
3 3
5.
4 double 0 4 4 5 0
This model. Okay. Kilowatt. Huh?
25.5.
Huh?
28 33.5 40 45
Okay. Horsepower.
8, 10, 12, 14,
16.
Compressor.
Digital.
Compressor. Fixed speed
1.
compressor. Here, how many?
1.
1. Here,
1. 1. 1. 1.
here,
0.
1.
1.
Here,
1.
here,
1. 1.
okay. Each model have digital compressor. Digital compressor, same capacity. Same capacity digital compressor. Same. Okay. 335. This one 2 fixed speed. 2 fixed speed. Compressor A, same model, same capacity, same model, same everything. Digital. How many models? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 models, 5 compressor, same digital, same. Okay. Fixed speed compressor. These two models, same model. Okay, same model. And this model the same. Understand? يعني this fixed speed compressor, same this one and same this one, same capacity. Same capacity. This one here, one fixed speed, right? Here, 2. Here, 2. Same model. Same model. Okay? Fan motor. Outdoor unit fan motor. يا سهراب. Outdoor unit fan motor. How many outdoor unit fan motor here? 1. DC or AC?
Yes.
Huh?
Maybe
Thinking. DC motor. DC. DC fan motor. AC fan motor. Okay. Here 1. Here
0.
0. Here,
1.
here,
0.
here,
1.
here,
1.
here,
1.
here,
0.
One.
here,
One.
1.
here,
One.
1.
1.
here.
One.
Okay?
Sir, no model coming.
La, la, la.
2 DC also coming, sir.
You see only one. Here 1. Here 0. Okay?
Sir, no one villa. We fix new outdoor unit.
New outdoor unit.
2 DC also coming.
10 motor.
This new series. New
Series.
series. All the series are, we write in model, R series. New series, 2 DC motor. 2 DC motor. This new series. Also +4, but new series. New generation. I said before this series what? R.
Yes.
R. You can see other series. Okay? S or K. S or K. يعني other series S or other series K. You will see model different. You will see model different. But we're talking about series R. Series R. Okay? Now okay? طيب. Component between models approximately same يعني compressor digital same models, fixed speed 2 models same, 3 models same. Okay, model 400, model 450, 2 compressor fixed speed. Other models 1 fixed speed compressor. Why change? Because change capacity, not same. Understand? طيب. You will get here any models have reverse valve because heat and cool. All VRF heat and cool. Okay? Reverse valve. Expansion after condenser for reverse mode, for heat mode. Same before, same general. Okay? I will show you video for machine in 5,000 villa because it's important. We have 5,000 machine. New technology in media. New technology. Digital compressor. What's function of digital compressor? And what's different between inverter and digital?
Yes, sir.
Who knows? Nobody knows. Nobody try to know. صح? Unfortunately. Digital compressor. I have inverter, right?
Yes.
Who control inverter? PC board.
Yes.
Okay? طيب, I have digital. Who control digital?
PCB.
Pressure. Okay? Pressure. Digital compressor. Fixed speed compressor. Suction. صح؟ Discharge. Hair oil. Okay? Okay? Or make it up. No problem. Digital بقى. We have here in digital one pipe, صح? Right?
Yes.
Pipe going like that. Where is suction? Where is unloader valve? Here. What is this function or idea? Tomorrow we will talk.
No, sir.
Huh? Now? No.
Excited.